Hi everybody, I'm Becker Romero and today I'm going to talk about a typical dish of Ecuador. In my case, a typical dish of Ecuador that I choose is encebollado. Encebollado is a typical dish from Ecuador, which provides us with good qualities proteins, minerals such as iron, zinc, and fatty acids such as omega 3, among other nutrients. Encebollado is a dish that people eat the day after of get drunk. When we have a hangover, it is the most popular thing to eat to get rid of a hangover. You could say that the encebollado is like a soup which has albacore, yuca, fish bones, garlic, onion, and some species. First, we cook the fish bones with the species. From there, we strain the bones and put the albacore meat to cook after having cleaned it with lime, salt, some vinegar, and it's all. In another pot, we cook the yuca. Once everything is cooked, we mix the yuca with the albacore meat and we add stained onion to taste, and that will be it. We can accompany it with a chifle and usually with a Coca-Cola. Some things, the encebollado, we can eat with bread, and some people that's not the most popular thing to accompany the encebollado. We can make some popcorn to accompany this special dish of Ecuador.
Hi Miss, today I'm going to introduce about the topic of the tonga manavita, who is a typical food in Ecuador and a typical dish from Manaví, who is a city from Ecuador. And now the tonga manavita is something like inside there are a little portion of rice, half a little portion of mani, and a little portion of a crop of chicken, and half a mature fruit, who is typical in Ecuador. The tunga manavita is a typical dish because the workers are working in hours and hours and hours and hours, and they need a delicious dish who are easy to transport and an easy way to the families do it. And in from that idea it's born like the tonga manavita. The tonga manavita is not deserved in a plastic dish. Is deserved in banana leaves. They are a reason because they are famous. It's a easy way to transport and in an easy way to the workers to eat and have a delicious dish. In Ecuador, that dish are that dish are important because it's a way to the families do it a great way to the people always have a recurrent dish social and is famous in Chone or Puerto Viejo or Manta, who are cities from Manaví. And
Hi Miss Juana and everyone is watching this video. That video is mainly about typical food from Ecuador that the name is guatita. Basically, it consists of a stew made from the tripe of the beef with a peanut sausage and rice and potatoes. This is cooked with eggs and sometimes the people eat it with salad that they usually consist of lettuce, avocado, and sometimes pickled onion and tomato. The ingredients that we're going to use to make the guatita are 2 pounds of beef tripe, the juice of 1 lemon, 10 cups of water, 5 spring of coriander, and then 4 garlic cloves. First, dilute the peanut butter with half of a cup of milk. Once cold, eat the skin in small pieces. From there, our fry is prepared with butter, achote, cumin, salt, oregano, onion, pepper, tomato, and garlic. Cook over medium heat until the onions are soft and almost transparent, about 5 minutes. When it is ready, place the fried milk and peanut butter in the blender and blend it until obtaining a creamy sausage. In a large pot, mix the blended sausage with the 2 cups of tripe. The chopped potatoes and the chopped tripes are boiled. It is simmered until the potatoes are soft and the liquids begin to thicken. The potatoes are crushed and little thickened to sausage. The salt is tasted and certified and the pepper is added to taste. The guatita is served with rice, avocado and chili.
Good night, Miss Juanita. My name is Salomon Neira, and I'm going to talk about some of the typical dishes of Ecuador, called seco de pollo, which is a dish widely consumed throughout the country for its simplicity and for the ingredient that is present all year around in Ecuadorian territory. The base preparation is a refried pepper, onion, and tomato cut into a small square, in addition to a small spoonful of achote oil. Then, this, this is passed to a processor with a jet of water and other species, and, and, leaves, and leave it until it looks like a paste. Then transfer into a medium pot a liter of water and add the chicken pieces. Leave it into, leaving it on medium heat. Leave it reduce to a semi-thick consistency or until the chicken is cooked. The preparation of this dish can vary from ingredient or addition of another depending on the region of the Ecuador. In the mountain is usually added potatoes. Shelter in Amazon yuca is added, but that for that if your accompaniment is a portion of hot rices. Thanks for your attention.